Alright, here's an update. It's almost impossible to convert this into two colors and have this kind of stick out. I thought about how to do it, and I've had you scan forward to this video because I'm going to make it into three colors. We have our orange that we created before. This keeps the gap open. All these white areas will print, it will print nothing. So then we have the image up here, and then we're like, what do we do? So what I decided I'm going to do is just simply select this light color here, select the light color here. I got both of those selected, and that's just the light blue. So if I click and drag those up here, they're on their own. Now, I want them to print as a solid object, and I don't necessarily want the fill, the stroke to happen. But I do want this color to kind of bleed in a little. So I'm going to say, for right now, no stroke. Okay, we see this goes completely to purple. And then I'm going to take these two objects here, and I'm just going to use my Pathfinder tool to group them. Group them. There we are. Okay, so we have this light color here. We want it to bleed into this darker color that's going to be right here. So we can give it a stroke, just a light stroke. Notice it's not even filling all the way over to the other color. But if we zoom in, you can see it's a little bit there. I can go to Object, Stroke, or Path, Outline Stroke. Now, I can select all of this. Again, Pathfinder, unite it all, mesh it all in one. Okay? So now I have all that right there. And that's all that light color right there. Now, with all that being selected, all of it, it's going to be kind of challenging to grab it all, but we're going to try. Command Y. I'm going to get this right here, and this right here. Command Y, back out. And let's see what happens if I change this all to black. Is it still going to give us that little white edge? Let's try. Let's see. Yes. Okay, so cool. Now, if I go to that layer, and let's turn this off real quick. So you see the base color. This is that purple. We're going to lay that down. We need to create something. We need to create this white spot here in the original logo. So we don't want this here. So this is we're gonna have to take these two things right here and all these little marks here. We're gonna have to add those to that light color we just created. Okay. I'm going to move that up here, turn that back on, turn off that, and we see this. We're creating this issue here. Okay. I don't want that because I know that deep down under here I have that color. All right. So I have these whites here. I know that it's going to, so if I do this in order of operations, it's going to, let's look at it real quick. So, on the orange, I'm turning this on. I need this all to be white to give me that opening for that spot. Okay? Then, this is orange, right? Then we want this to lay down in here. This is going to be the purple, the light purple. And then on top of this light purple, that it's going to, if we turn this off, it's just this light purple right here. Then we need the dark purple to come in. Okay, so now it's a question of, all right, so we have this here. How do I create all the other stuff that goes with this? Okay, so I'm going to go back here to the original thing, and I can see that half of the logo is kind of missing already. So somewhere in this operation, we got rid of some of the logo. There it is. Okay, so there's that stroke. That right now is white, and according to, we're gonna create another layer on the top and add this up there. So this is now, we're gonna make this the dark purple. So if after you make the dark purple,